Hello guys and welcome to another video of mine. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to record your screen using OBS Studio. And for those who don't know about OBS, it's short for Open Broadcasting Software. The OBS has been very useful for me and most YouTubers for recording their screens and our screens, and this is how you get the OBS Studio. The first thing you have to do is to go to your browser, open a new tab, and type in OBS. Then you can see OBS there. The first option you find here, the first one is the Open Broadcaster software. So Open Broadcaster software. I think I said broadcasting. So Open Broadcaster software is OBS. This is the one that you need. It's under obsproject.com. So you click right here. It leads you to this page, and this is where you decide to reference your operating system. Now this is available for Windows, Mac, and for Linux. Now, if you're using Windows, you can download using this button. If you're using for Mac, this is what you use. For Linux, and this is what you use. So you don't have to go any further. Just click on any of these ones here, and then it downloads it. And once it downloads it, then it goes into your download folder, and you can run it from there. It's an exe file, so you can always install it into your PC from where it downloads to. So click right here, and it downloads. I already have an OBS and the OBS software, so I don't have to do this anymore. What I'll do now is to assume that you have downloaded it at this stage and proceed to show you how to record your screen using the OBS Studio. Now, what you do is once you download it, you open your OBS and it should look like this. It should look like this. Right. So as you can see here, mine is recording right here. So I can't stop recording because it's going to jeopardize this video. But that's what you get when you have the OBS. It looks like this. You can see here I've attached the display capture here to enable me to record my screen, and just to be able to use this properly, make sure that your settings are right. Let's have a look at the settings and see. Right, so for general settings, just look at this. It should look like this because this is the adequate setting for the OBS if you have needs for recording your screen. So that's the setting here. You can take a screenshot if you like, but make sure that yours looks just like this. System tree is enabled, and to be honest, a lot of these things come like preset, so you don't have to worry about them. But you can double check to make sure that your system, your OBS reads like mine does currently, with all these boxes ticked. You enable here for studio mode. You see show preview, and then for stream as well, you can see that it says here Twitch. If you were to use, let's say, YouTube, right, you can go here and use YouTube is right here as an option. But I mean, right now I'm not streaming. I don't have use for streaming right now, so I would not go into choosing any of these options here. So if you had use for let's say the streaming or recording, screen recording, go here, make sure that your settings look just like this. Okay, for the audio, just like this. I'll scroll down so you can see all my settings, and it should look just like this. I wouldn't go ahead to tell you like what should be here and where, because I believe you can see my screen, and so that's simpler for you to just once you tick the box where you should, like here, tick disable Windows audio docking. Once you do that, you can click on apply or OK button, and or if you click on OK button, that's fine, but eventually you have to apply the settings. So just so you know that, go to the video and look here. You can see my video setting is all blurred out because I'm currently recording, so I can't change this because it's already been applied to the recorded video. And here you can see the hotkeys here. I would say to you, do nothing here. I have not done any changes to my the settings here. So I would say leave yours as is. Here, looking at the advanced, you can see advanced here. It says here process priority is normal. It's ticked. You can see it's ticked again for automatic reconnect. So enable that. Make sure it's 10s here. Retry delay. So 10 seconds. That's what that means. 10s. So guys, and here it says sources. Here enable browser source hardware acceleration. So if all these settings are okay, just apply them by clicking this button right here, and it should always update on your system. Now I'm already recording, as you can see. So before you're able to record your screen, normally this little window here occurs as blank. There's nothing here. It comes with nothing here. So it's you who should go here and choose display capture. This helps you record your screen. So without this, your screen recording would only show this page and not show any other page you go into. Here I can go into any page here and it shows exactly the page that I'm into. Right now it's capturing this page, the OBS Studio page, which I am looking at currently. So that's how you download the OBS and use it for screen recording. And just for those who are still asking, okay, how do I record? How do I record? Yes. So OBS, after all the settings are complete and you have your display capture right here, next thing you do is to go into here and click on you start recording. Now mine is already recording. That's why what's here is stop recording. But if yours were not recording, what you see here is start recording. And then once you click on it, it starts to record. You can see. So I'm not using the mic right now. I'm speaking directly into my PC, and so that's the reason it sounds this way. But if you want a better audio production, you can decide to use a microphone to record your sound by plugging it into your PC. So um, this is in a nutshell how to record. If you for some reason want your face to appear somewhere on the screen here while you're recording your screen, you might decide to want that for some reason. You can go here and add video capture right here, video capture device right here. Once you add it, it activates your camera, and so you can see your camera records you somewhere which you can place on the screen of the recorded screen. So that's the way it works. I believe you watch tutorials where people are recording their screen and you can see their face somewhere at the bottom of the screen or somewhere around the top. It's the video capture device that was activated right here. So this will only work obviously if your laptop has got a camera. So it's either your laptop has a camera or you're using a webcam while you're using your laptop. So that's the way to use OBS for screen recording. I hope this video was helpful for anyone who needs to use the OBS Studio to get it. There's hardly it's been hardly any problems from people to say I can't download it, but your PC has to be, I believe, of a fairly recent version. Generally speaking, it's not very selective. I haven't actually heard of a PC that can't use OBS, but there must be some out there that cannot use OBS because they are outdated. But generally speaking, I would say that you're able to use OBS Studio. So, guys, this is how to get the OBS Studio application and use it for screen recording. Alright guys, this video has come to an end. I thank you for watching and please make sure you like, subscribe if it was helpful, and share with your family and friends so we can grow this community. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye now.